Dimapur Battalion Assam Rifles under the aegis of IGAR Close N on the occasion of World Tuberculosis Day conducted a lecture-cum interactive session for students of St. Joseph University, Sovima. The aim of the lecture was to educate the students of causes of tuberculosis and ways to prevent it. The students were given a broad insight of how many people are affected by TB and how it's the leading cause of death in South Asian countries. They were also sensitized on various healthcare programs run by World Health Organization and Government of India to cure TB. A total of 180 students attended the program.